Stop scrolling. If you're not making money on Instagram in 2025, you're leaving thousands on the table. Want to turn your followers into cash? I'm about to reveal the top affiliate marketing niches that are making people rich fast. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to scale, this is your golden ticket to passive income. Let's dive in. So what are the best niches for affiliate marketing on Instagram? A 2025 guide. Now, Instagram is one of the best platforms for affiliate marketing due to its high engagement rates, visual appeal, and strong influence on purchasing decisions. However, not all niches perform equally well. Below is a detailed guide on the best Instagram niches for affiliate marketing, including audience demand, potential earnings, as well as the best affiliate programs to promote. And so beauty and skincare, that is the first niche to look out for. Now, why does this niche work? It's highly visual because Instagram thrives on beauty and skincare tutorials, product showcases, and transformations. Also, this niche is influencer driven. Followers trust beauty influencers for product recommendations. Also, there is a high engagement rate because skincare and makeup trends constantly evolve, leading to continuous content opportunities. Now, what are the top sub niches in the beauty and skincare niche? There's the natural and organic skincare, anti-aging and wrinkle prevention. There's Korean beauty, K-beauty, and there's acne and sensitive skin solutions. Now, what are the affiliate programs to promote? Sephora affiliate program, which gives 5 to 10% commission, and then Ulta Beauty affiliate program, which gives 1 to 5% commission, and then there's Fenty Beauty affiliate program, as well as Look Fantastic affiliate program, which gives 10% commission. So what are the content ideas if you are in the skincare niche? Product reviews and comparisons. Example, best moisturizers for oily skin, and then before and after transformation posts, as well as skincare routines for different skin types, and then Instagram reels showcasing new product releases. Then there's the fashion and apparel niche. So why does the fashion and apparel niche work for affiliate marketing on Instagram? Instagram is a fashion-driven platform with viral trends. Then there is high ticket commissions for from designer brands, and then seasonal demand keeps content fresh. So what are the top sub niches in the in the fashion and apparel niche? There is sustainable and ethical fashion, plus size and body positivity fashion. Then there is streetwear and hype beast culture. And then there is luxury fashion and designer brands. So what are the affiliate programs to promote if you are in the fashion and apparel niche? ASOS affiliate program, which offers 5% commission, and then there's Nordstrom affiliate program, which offers 2 to 20% commission, and then there is Revolve affiliate program, which offers 5 to 15% commission, and then there's the Nike affiliate program, which offers up to 11% commission. What are the content ideas if you're in the fashion and apparel niche? Outfit of the day, OOTD posts, and then there's fashion trend predictions and styling tips, budget versus luxury fashion comparisons, and then Instagram stories swipe up links for exclusive deals. The third niche, the third best niche for affiliate marketing on Instagram is health and fitness. So why does this niche work? People are always looking for fitness advice, diets, and supplements, and there are strong brand partnerships with supplements and fitness gear companies. And then there is an engaged community with user-generated content potential. What are the top sub niches in the health and fitness niche? There's weight loss and body transformation, home workouts and gym motivation. There's mindfulness, there's keto, vegan, and intermittent fasting diets. What are the affiliate programs to promote if you are in the health and fitness niche? My Protein affiliate program, which offers 10% commission. Nike Training Club affiliate program. Then there is Bowflex affiliate program, which offers 8 to 10% commission. And then there is Organifi affiliate program, which offers 30% commission on supplements. What are the content ideas if you are in the health and fitness niche? workout tutorials and fitness challenges, what I eat in a day posts for diet-based content, and then there is Instagram reels of fitness transformations, as well as product recommendations for gym gear, supplements, and protein powders. The next best niche for affiliate marketing on Instagram is personal finance and investing. Why does this niche work? There are high-ticket affiliate programs, credit cards, investment apps, and courses. There's also a growing interest in financial freedom, side hustles, and investing. And Instagram users love money-saving hacks and wealth-building tips. Now, what are the top sub-niches in the personal finance and investing niche? Passive income and side hustles, crypto and NFT investing, budgeting and debt-free living, and high-income skills and freelancing. So what are the affiliate programs to promote in the niche? Robinhood affiliate program offers $5 to $50 per sign up, and then Acorn's affiliate program offers 5 to 10% per referral, while the Fiverr affiliate program offers up to $150 CPA, and the Bluehost affiliate program offers up to 65% $55 per sign up. So what are the content ideas in the finance niche? Instagram carousels with money mistakes to avoid, and reels on side hustles that pay well. Then how I made my first $10,000 from affiliate marketing posts. Then story posts, engaging followers on financial habits. The fifth best niche for affiliate marketing on Instagram is the tech and gadgets niche. Now, why does this niche work? There are high-ticket affiliate commissions on gadgets and software, and constant new product launches for fresh content. There are also reviews and unboxings that perform well on Instagram. Now, what are the top sub-niches in the tech and gadgets niche? There are smartphones and laptops, smart home devices, AI and automation tools, gaming accessories, and streaming equipment. So what are the affiliate programs to promote in the tech and gadget niche? Amazon Associates offers up to 10% commission. Best Buy affiliate program offers up to 7% commission. Logitech affiliate program is also there, while the Microsoft affiliate program offers up to 10% commission. So what are the content ideas? Tech gadgets you need in 2025: reels, unboxing and product reviews, Instagram stories with discount codes, and side-by-side comparisons of similar tech products. The next niche is a travel and lifestyle niche, as one of the best niches for affiliate marketing on Instagram. Now, why does this niche work? There is luxury travel influencer. Now, luxury travel influencers earn from hotels, airlines, and gear. There is an engaged audience looking for travel inspiration, then high ticket commissions from booking platforms. What are the top sub niches in the travel and lifestyle niche? There is budgets, travel hacks, luxury travel and resorts, digital nomad lifestyle, and travel gear and essentials. So what are the affiliate programs to promote in that niche? Expedia affiliate program, which offers 2 to 6% commission. Booking.com affiliate program, which offers up to 25% commission. Airbnb affiliate program, which offers up to $40 per referral, and the Nomadic travel gear affiliate program. Now, what are the content ideas in the niche? Travel guides and hidden gems, reels showing hotel and Airbnb tours, how to travel on a budget carousel post, and affiliate links and stories for booking discounts. The next niche, as one of the best niches for affiliate marketing on Instagram, is self-improvement and personal development. Why does this niche work? People invest in books, courses, and coaching programs, and then there is strong engagement for motivational content and endless content ideas based on growth and success. What are the top sub-niches in the self-improvement and personal development niche? Productivity and time management, entrepreneurship and business growth, mindset and confidence building, self-help books, and courses. The affiliate programs you can promote include Masterclass affiliate program, which offers a 30% commission, Udemy affiliate program, which offers up to 15% commission, Blinkist affiliate program, which offers up to 30% commission, ClickFunnels affiliate program, which offers up to $100 per sale. So what are the content ideas? Motivational quotes and success stories, morning routine of successful entrepreneurs, book recommendations with affiliate links, Instagram story Q&A sessions on self-growth. So what are my final tips for Instagram affiliate marketing? Use Instagram stories with swipe up links. It's the easiest way to drive affiliate traffic. Create reels and carousels. It provides high engagement rates which lead to more clicks. Also leverage giveaways and discounts which encourage followers to try affiliate products, and then build a community first. Focus on engagement before selling. And then use the link in bio to link multiple affiliate programs using tools like Linktree or Beacons. Now, which niche should you choose? If you love fashion, go for fashion and apparel. If you're into fitness, go for health and fitness. If you are tech savvy, go for tech and gadgets. If you are business minded, go for finance and investing. If you love travel, go for travel and lifestyle. Now, affiliate marketing on Instagram works best when you choose a niche you are passionate about and provide value to your audience. Start with engaging content, build trust, and then monetize strategically through affiliate link. So which niche are you considering? Let me know in the comments, and also share this video with a friend and hit the subscribe button so you can become a member of the House of Wisdom YouTube community. We are raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025, and the big question is, will you be one of them? These videos we are making are the tools for empowering you to be able to achieve this goal this year. And so don't joke with the series of our Gen Z millionaire videos. Go ahead and watch the entire playlist, because I tell you, there is power in gaining knowledge, and this knowledge is going to be useful for you in achieving your goal of becoming a millionaire, a Gen Z millionaire this year.